How's it going, everybody? Welcome to the channel. Today I am here at the Sema show with Willie, Sid, and Steve.
Morning.
It's right before the show starts. We're helping out this week in the Mod in Japan booth, but I wanted to cover a bit of South Hall, go look at some interesting vehicles, and share with you what we think is cool.
Yeah, every year we come, there's always one stop I have to make. It's touche.
Two stops.
Two stops. Stop number 2 would be tool booths. I always like to go look at tools and see if I can snag any deals and stuff like that.
As you know, our buddies at Shelby do some stuff. Interesting. Shelby tires. Here is the Jeep and Dodge booth. Very nicely done. These are usually OE in-house builds that they do. Very nice. Can't say I'm the biggest fan of EV, but I understand the technology that's, you know, changing our environment for modifying cars, and this is pretty cool. Let's see what else Stellantis has on display. This is pretty nice. Over here. I have a drag racing sim here set up.
Well, from all
Strada has this mill and tire hall has drastically changed over the past few years. There used to be tons of cool cars and all sorts of stuff here. Now it's a lot of overseas tire companies that just has stuff on display. Oh, check this out. Hey, this is actually my friend Mike Lim's BMW. Let's take a closer look. Mike Lim is an old friend of mine. His company's called Prestige Marketing. He does a lot of booth activations for various companies. He was doing stuff for Dub, I think, and a couple other vendors out there. His biggest client is a company that makes and does everything in regards to Pac-Man, the video game, Namco. So yeah, came out really nice. Let's see what else they got here. Another truck. Like Supply, Gladiator 6x6. Have a C8 from XXR wheels on it. Not bad. Ferrata wheels. Have a couple McLarens on display. Nice, simple and clean. Interesting paint scheme on this one. Hey, here we have my friend Rodney's Toyota Sienna. This van's been in a state of evolution over the past 3 years, constantly upgrading and improving. It's here in the Bartech USA booth. Came out nice. I know he has a new front bumper. Looks good. For any of those of you who are big into minivans and doing up minivans, Ronnie has really embraced the culture for this. But overall, the van looks good. I know after Sema, he'll take out a lot of the loud graphics. I think that's what Bartek wants. It's not his style. He likes just super simple and clean. But good job, Rodney. Yeah, it's quite interesting. There's not a whole lot of cars here in this hall this year. It's mainly just a lot of what I call cheaper tire brands, more affordable, I guess, cost-effective tire brands. So nothing crazy. And you know, there's a couple cars in various booths. A lot of them are pretty stock. Not this one, but a lot of them are pretty stock with just their wheels and tires. So nothing worth really highlighting, in my opinion. But I'm gonna swing by the MB Forge area. I know they usually have something nice, and the Kone booth's right next to it. So let's go over there real quick, see what they got. And as always, they don't disappoint. Awesome line of cars. Woo.
If it was the upper half, the switch with the bottom half would be good. That's it.
I'm also a dealer for MB Forge, so if you want a set, let me know. Rift exhaust, full carbon body. It's really cool. Okay, booth, they have a, it's like a full-on race A90 Supra. New forged wheel.